Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I am going to share the information regarding the current cycle of TCS NQT. Now, this is the October 2022 session, for which the last day to apply is 24th of September, and the exams starts on 9th of October. Now, before I even go into like who are eligible to apply and all that, let me make it very clear. Now, this TCS NQT is like AMCAT, okay, which is a qualifying exam for which you have to pay. Okay, so you have to pay, take the test, get your score, and then apply to different like companies. Okay, right? So first, like based on your career choice, you can look at what are the different modules that are available. Okay, you can go for like single modules or a combo pack, right? For example, if you are looking for a TCS Ninja role, then you can go for this TCS IT career readiness pack. Okay, so whether it is TCS Ninja role, or if you're looking for the associate software engineer role in Tech Mahindra, okay, so probably something like that. Okay, so you can go for the career IT career readiness pack, and then like buy it, take the test, get a good score, right, and then you can apply to various companies on their company website as well as the TCS NQT website, where there is a jobs page which I'll show you. The link I have given the description below. You can apply there, and then based on your score and performance, okay, you'll be called for the interview, and then subsequently, if you do well in the interview, you will get the job offer. Okay. Now, first, the next part is so who are eligible to apply. Now, any graduate, also like diploma holders, so graduates and diploma holders from any batch from 2018 to 2024. Okay, that is the final years, pre-final years, and the 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019 and 2018. So these batches of candidates can apply for this. And some of the popular companies that they accept the TCS NQT score, of course, includes TCS, Tata Elxsi, and lot of other Tata group of companies. Then you have Mphasis, you have Tech Mahindra, you have ITC, and many other organizations accept the TCS NQT score. Okay. Now, what are the packages that are available? I'll just show you to you very briefly. Now, NQT cognitive skills is mandatory, which is the aptitude, reasoning, and so aptitude, reasoning, and verbal. Okay, so that part is mandatory, right? Now that also comes along with the combo pack. For example, if you want to apply for the TCS Ninja, right, so you have to take this, or if you want to get into the IT industry, right, so you have to write this TCS NQT IT career readiness. You have to buy this pack, which costs 1,000 rupees. Right now, if you're looking an entry into financial sector, okay, so you can buy the TCS NQT BFS career readiness pack if you are looking for financial markets and services. Apart from this, there are a lot of standalone modules, okay, also related to latest technologies. Okay, so you have like big data on cloud, blockchain, AI. Okay, then you have like machine learning, or something like basic computer skills, IT network engineer, right? So you have lot of modules available. You can just go accountant, okay, so IT web designer. So you can just go through this, and then whichever is your career aspiration, you can buy that pack and then appear for the exam. See, what is the advantage of appearing for this exam? The the only advantage I see personally, based on my whatever I've been seeing in the last 2.5 years, is that you get an opportunity. Okay, you get an opportunity for the interview. Okay, or you get an opportunity for the written test. Okay, so I think that is the important part. That's the only important part, because when it comes to the eligibility criteria, now because you appear for TCS NQT, there is no relaxation of the eligibility criteria, in the sense that, for example, if Tech Mahindra is hiring for the role of associate software engineer, now they don't go for all the specializations in engineering. They go for only select specializations. Now, even when they go through the TCS NQT scores, they still go for that 60%. They still, they still ask for that 60%. Still they ask for that particular specializations. Okay, so where they relax is in terms of like maybe the batches. Okay, so if they're going to hire only like 2021 and 2022 through their direct hiring, they even go for the earlier batches. Okay, so in terms of batches, and also in terms of like the a particular at that particular point, okay, you get an opportunity to appear for an exam, right? And also like this is like one exam where using which you can apply to multiple companies. Okay, so even for example TCS, they announced like the free NQT, that is the TCS Ninja and Digital in May 2022, but the exam did not conduct the exam, whereas the paid NQT exam they conducted like as per schedule. Okay, so that's the advantage. Only thing is that you get an opportunity for the written exam, or you can say you get an opportunity through the written exam, you go to the interview and subsequently to a job offer and all that. That is the only advantage that I see here. Okay, but you have to pay for this, right? So they have listed like the companies, they have listed some of the achievers and all that. Okay, so you can go through all this. Now another question that you would have here is whether the test is conducted in center or virtual. Now they are giving like both options. Okay, if you have the facility at home, you can take it like from on a virtual like proctored assessment you can take, or if you want to go to in center, you can go to you can choose in center and then apply. Then you can go to the TCS like NQT centers and then apply, right? So once you get once like the results is declared, the results will be sent to your mail, right? After that you can apply for that this particular jobs. Okay, so again, so this is the jobs like page link to which I have given the description below. You can go through this, right? And then like you can go through the various packages available, you can go through the jobs list. Okay, but please remember TCS also like the Ninja and other like related roles, for that also they consider this for that also they very much consider this TCS NQT score. So if you are interested, if you are like willing to spend for this, then probably you can go for this. Now if you have any queries, please post your questions in the comment section below. I hope the information that I have provided here in this video was useful to you. Now if you like this video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.